AI doesn't replace you, it amplifies you. A lot of people believe that all they need is another AI tool. They type a few prompts, click a button, and expect their marketing to improve overnight. But that's not how it works. If you don't have a clear system, AI won't create one for you. It won't tell you what videos to make, who you're trying to help, or how to build your brand. It simply makes your current way of working faster. If your content is disorganized, AI will help you create disorganized content even faster. If you're constantly jumping from one idea to another, AI will simply give you more ideas. But more ideas don't create consistency. I made the same mistake. For a long time, I believed I just needed a better AI tool. So I tried almost everything. Every tool had something interesting, but I still wasn't working any faster. The problem wasn't the tools, the problem was that I didn't have a system. Everything changed when I stopped searching for another AI tool and started looking for one place where my entire content workflow could come together. That's why I chose Simplified. Not because it creates content instead of me, but because it helps me take one idea and quickly turn it into videos, social media posts, and marketing content without jumping between different tools. Now I spend less time managing software and more time creating content. Honestly, that's made the biggest difference. Today, I'm no longer searching for the newest AI tool. I'm focused on building a better system that helps me create more value for the people I want to help. Because a great AI tool doesn't replace you. It amplifies what already works. If you'd like to see how I use Simplified to build my own content system, download my free guide. I'll show you the exact workflow I use to create content faster, stay consistent, and get more done with fewer tools. You'll find the download link in the video description.